Hello students, welcome to online classes. This is class 5 English grammar. Today we'll learn the contraction. So as our topic is contraction, so we'll learn what is contraction. A contraction is a word made by combining two words and leaving out one or more letters. An apostrophe shows where the letters have been left out. So contraction is the short form. When we combine two words, then we leave out one or more letters. And in place of that, we put apostrophe that shows where the letters have been left out. So that is called contraction. See the example. Here common contractions in English are not. If we will make the short form of are not, it will be aren't. If we'll make the short form of cannot, it will be can't. If we'll make the short form of I am, it will be am. If we'll make the short form of I have, it will be I have, but it will be in short form. So here wherever commas are there, it shows that these are the contraction forms. So that is, the short form of that is that's. There is, the short form of there is theirs. So these are the contractions. See the more example. Did not will be changed into didn't. After did, n, did, comma, means here apostrophe is there, then t. Here it shows that we have removed o from here. Here do not, so it will be don't. After don, apostrophe will be there. O is removed, so that's why apostrophe is here. Then t. So do not will be changed into don't. He will. So he will, the short form of he will be he'll. So here after he, apostrophe will be there because here we have removed w and I. Is not will be changed into isn't. Here we have removed o, so apostrophe is there, then t. So isn't. Let us. So let us will be changed into let's. This is the contraction. Here after let we have removed u, so that's why apostrophe is there. Apostrophe shows that any letter is missed, we have removed. So she will be changed into she'll. After she, apostrophe, then double l. We are, the contraction for the we are is were. What is, the contraction for the what is what's. W, a after what, apostrophe, then s. It means we have removed I from here. So here you will, the contraction for you will be you will. So here comma means apostrophe is given because w and I is not there. So these are the contraction forms, means when we use the helping verb plus not or well helping verb with the pronoun, that is called, the short form is called contractions. So see here we are. So here we are short form. You are, that is the short form of you are means your. Then it is, so here it's you are. So here these are also the contractions. Now homework, you have to complete the exercise A given on page number 49 in your home book. So this you have to complete. So thanks for watching. So I think you must have understood the contractions.